Okay, this is going to be a short demonstration of how to do Facebook scheduled posts on your Facebook fan page. So first, make sure you're on the right page and head up to the top here where you see Publishing Tools. Publishing Tools. And what you need to find is, it'll say Publish Posts, Create. But if you're going to do a scheduled post, you want to go down the left-hand side to Scheduled Posts. Look, I've only got one more to go on the 1st of September. So I need to get some more in now. So I'm going to create. And it's just like posting a normal post at this stage. So I am going to post a photo, well, an image that I will upload from my documents. From my images. And look, I've got loads in here, loads. And I know I have posted some about gratitude before. Let's have this one because it's so cute. And I'll write something about it. A smile costs nothing, but is worth. Woo, spelling's horrendous. Is worth. What is priceless? Try it today and see how many smiles you get back. And I'm going to put a wee emoji in there as well. Emoji, I'll have this one. Nice big smile. Back to there, and need to go down to schedule. So you have got schedule here, and you can choose exactly when. So I know I have one scheduled for the 1st of September, so I need this to post on the 2nd of September. And I'm going to go for, this is going to be a morning post, so I'm going to go for 7:40 a.m. Schedule. Okay. And there it is. Complete with my little bit of text that I put in. So once again, it's just create, photo, video, or you can write a text in there and then schedule it in the same way. But I think for scheduled posts, you're better sticking to something that is pretty generic, and then you can tweak it as necessary. So that's another one I've chosen from my documents. This arrow gives you different choices. Publish as in now, straight away, just post it like a normal post. Backdate. That's an interesting one. Backdate your post so it appears in the past on your timeline. That one, I'm not entirely sure why someone would want to use that. Interesting. But not sure how that would work. This one I'm going to schedule, and I know I need one now for the 3rd of September. I'm going to try this one at 6 a.m. because it's a Monday and people are back to work. And there it is. No text there because I decided that this post didn't need text. But you can do these. You can plan so many this way, and it means that you have nearly like a safety net. If you get extremely busy at some stage, you can stack them all in there and you will be able to get something onto your Facebook page without thinking about it. Decision to believe is a good one. This is for the 4th. So you can then decide that you're going to have, you could have a system, you could have a practice of having a certain type of post on a Monday, a certain type on a Tuesday, a certain type on a Wednesday. It really is up to you what way you want to use this. And you can, if you are planning something on a particular day, you can do some launch posts for it. So if you created a slide and you had it saved, in your details, like if I went to this one, this was an event coming up, I could post it, have it ready, and then I know like 2 days to go, post it on the Wednesday, it's going to be on Friday, so Tuesday, 3 days to go, and have those all scheduled up so that people will know. But this event has already happened, so I'm going to go to this X here in the box to remove it, and I can just pick something else. You can add milestones, directions, job posts, polls, start a Q&A, any of those things.